So today we're going to be talking about irex, the #1 in searchveillance and collaborative security for health protection. Next. So a little bit about today for housekeeping purposes. We're going to first talk about irex. We're going to do a demo. Of course, we want to answer your questions, but I ask you to please keep your phones on mute and type questions in chat or ask at the end. Thanks. Next slide. So what is irex? We are an AI-powered platform for public safety. We're cloud-based service to monitor, protect large populations from terroristic threats, crime, and infectious diseases. We are powered by artificial intelligence, and irex provides social distancing, isolation tracking, and crowd management. Now we'd like to show you a little bit about it. So facial recognition and searchveillance. Its ability to monitor thousands of people under quarantine across thousands of cameras day and night. Once we detect a disease, we understand where its origin has come from. We help build a list of potentially infected people, and we can track them on cameras.
Okay, shall we jump to a demo, Gary?
Yeah, so why don't we go down through, let me just go down through the slides and then we'll jump into the demo. How about that? So it's that we have it interact. Next slide, please, Nick.
Okay.
So, and as everybody knows today, thermal cameras and fever detection. The key is, how do we open up the world? Well, with irex, we can do it because we can connect thermal cameras to monitor crowds, understand elevated body temperature, and fever risk, the risk of that person coming into an establishment or a company. Next, Nick. And we talk about collaborative security. Well, it's all about getting the messaging out. So we enable a messenger-based collaboration encrypted for response team. And irex allows you to run on any device. We're agnostic to allow for encrypted communications with alarm notification, alerts in real time with evidence photo sharing. Next. So, and again, AI-powered video analytics, generating real-time alarms and alerts with really easy-to-use dashboards to do instant search across big data using a variety of detectors. So, for instance, a mass detection, people counting, crowd detection, and even vehicle identification. Next, please. So a little bit about the private cloud. So we are on demand, so no server and storage hardware, highly scalable. And the storage hardware is not needed to be deployed. So irex is in a private cloud architecture to be resilient, to be deployable, and secure. Next. So, you know, in terms of the pricing, it's $49 per month for a camera. You get real-time audio and video, the searching capability, the collaborative security, and a 30-day off-site evidence retention. It's web-based and you can access it from any device. And now we'd like to show you what we have. Nick, if you could show them the demo of what we just talked about, please.
Yeah, I'm going to use a pharmaceutical chain because no stadium can provide sufficient people at the moment to demonstrate irex capabilities. So I'm connected now to a place in Florida. So it's uh, a continental pharmacy where about over 100 cameras are deployed, of which I have access to 8 cameras. So you see the map, and if I click a camera, I can see the video in real time. I see the timeline activity. I can easily switch between different video streams. And I've got on the timeline, I also have recognition activity. I can see people that are captured and they are matched against all the database we have in real time. So let me show you what we have as a database. We have built currently 3 lists. One is the staff members. So we can record sign-ins and sign-outs automatically. We've got the top 100 most wanted people in the Florida region. And we've got the shoplifters that come here. So these people are matched automatically with all people entering the facility. And if there is a match of high-risk individuals, a security guard will receive a real-time alert on his mobile device. Let me start by demonstrating the searching capability. This technology is called Searchveillance, where we can upload a photo of a person or a vehicle and get instant results. For example, I'm going to upload a picture of my or maybe somebody else, yeah, to get some results. So right now I'm searching with a photo as a template, and I can get results, say from Monday, that's 11th of May.
And the key, Nick, as you're going down through it, is how easy it is. I mean, it takes literally seconds to upload a picture. It's that easy to use.
Yeah. Yes. So we can see this person as he entered the office and started talking to the colleagues. We also have maps of the facility, like this one. These are floor plans that can be plans of the stadiums. And for each cameras, we can see the live image, the status. If the camera is green, it operates normally. If it turns red, then there is a problem with the camera, maybe no lighting or no signal from this camera. We can also search people from our database. For instance, if we want to find the guy here, we click search by photo, and instantly we will get the results of this person, where and when this person have appeared. And there are also matches in masks. That means the algorithm is efficient even if people are wearing masks. So let me show how thermal camera works. So that capability is deployed on our campus. So it's slightly different interface. What we have is a thermal camera with 2 channels. One is a thermal channel for temperature measurement. So you can see here the temperature in Fahrenheit, and also an optical channel which is configured for facial recognition. So for each person with increased temperature, we've got an instant match with our database, and we can track this person from camera to camera to be able to stop it. So that's so let me just play the video how what this thermal cameras is. So that's the entrance of the facility, and within milliseconds, we can measure the temperature and do the face match. Also in this office, the facial recognition technology is integrated with access control. So people can use, can enter buildings without cards, just by biometric identification. There are many other events that are automatically detected by the system. So we can recognize vehicles, we can read number plates, we can detect different events on the parking space, we can detect crowdings. Unfortunately, I don't have any crowd in my office at the moment, but it's this alarm will be generated once more than 5 people gathers together in front of the building. We can detect smoke and different audio alarms like a gunshot or glass breaking.